so the party's over and the real party just began.
Good morning on this Saturday morning. Peyton for the last like couple days has been so excited. She has been telling me every day, hey Dad, you and I, we're gonna wake up early and we're gonna go surprise the rest of the family with donuts. And here we are, Saturday morning. She comes in my room and she said, Dad, let's go. So we are
I had no clue. I was like, Dad, it's getting boring and I don't want Mom to know. So we had to try and sneak
so
like ninjas.
Snuck out. They're still asleep and we're grabbing donuts.
Well, Beckham's awake.
Yeah, but Palmer and Mom are asleep still. We get to Smith's and we realize, well, I realized I forgot my wallet. So we called Smith, or we went into Smith's to see if they accepted Apple Pay. They didn't, but another store like right next to Smith's has donuts and they accepted Apple Pay, and I think that's the first time I've ever used Apple Pay. I loved it. They're not buckled?
Donuts aren't buckled.
Oh, the donuts aren't.
Donuts, stay buckled. You're gonna die.
You're
gonna die.
Donuts are gonna die. We got donuts.
Okay, so you heard my dad. Okay, so first off we're home, and so I'm gonna get all of our donuts. So Palmer's not awake yet, but so my donut, delicious. That's my donut. Wait, there's like do you want this one? Yeah. And then Palmer basically got the maple sprinkles, but I'm gonna keep that one in there for her. I know you gonna cut mine in half. Okay. So then I have enough. So let's eat our toppings. Whoa, you might want to hold that down. Can you cut it? Let's see. Yeah. Can you like hold the camera like that? Or wait, hold on. Let's put you like that. Okay. Let's cut it in half. There you go. I know I have my donut right now. Right now. Guess what? Palmer's awake. Let's go give her. I tied it up because flies are in her house and I don't want her, like, any flies getting to it. Let's go wake her up. Say, good morning. You want a donut? You want a donut for breakfast? So I'm gonna set you in the donut right here, okay? Let's get her. Come here! Oh, whoa! Are you getting heavy? Do you want to carry that? Do you want to carry it? Carry it! Yeah! Carry it! Let's go carry it to the kitchen and show Dad and Mom what's happening. Is it Palmer? Okay.
Oh wow, a shave. That looks so much different.
Looks a little.
I look like a little teenager now.
Oh. It's like when I first met you, JD.
Yeah, but right off my mission, JD. Okay, so we decided to be productive this morning. So we had donuts, but now we're going to work out at the gym to work those donuts off.
Okay, for the record, I did not eat a donut.
I didn't either, but the kids did.
They're the ones that are not working out.
They're not working out. They're
What
going
is
to
going
gym
on here?
daycare.
The universe is cruel.
It's because we're getting old and their metabolisms don't slow down.
Peyton is literally, if you guys have ever met Peyton in person, she's like this little, and she will out-eat both Jane and I now when we get pizza.
Yeah.
We're talking like, if she had her way and there was enough pizza, probably at least 4 pieces. That girl, Peyton.
Tommy wants to say hi. Hi.
So that was a quick transformation from the gym.
Yeah.
But we are actually on a date. Think Grandma Mower's heart.
D-A-T-E.
A D-A-T-E, that's us. So we are doing what any people who are finishing their basements would do on a date. We're picking out tile. So hopefully we're literally like, we have 4 hours, and then I have a little party tonight for my primary class. They were so good. You guys, I'm in charge of Peyton's class. And last year they got treats every single week. And I'm like, okay, you're almost 8. Yeah. You're almost 8, you probably don't need to get treats every week at church. So what we did is when they'd earn 10 stickers, they would get a treat. And then once they earned 100 stickers, I told them that we could have a party at my house. And today is the day. They were fantastic. And so we're having an ice cream party tonight at our house. So we have 4 hours to go just in and out of a million stores. I don't think we'll actually end up like coming home with it today, but I want to know my options. I want to educate myself. So that is what we are doing.
Yeah.
In addition to the van, it's a nice armrest with my big muscles. Look at that. Yeah, it's an armrest. So we always said nothing would come between us, but
shiplap did.
Looks like the shiplap has come between us. No, we know shiplap doesn't. We've done shiplap before. We have. So we have decided, you guys, I'm so excited. Our basement, we are going to do, I think, this tile. So it's like the wood that looks like tile. What's everybody's feelings on this? Do I want to know?
It's tile that
but
looks
I'm asking
like wood.
you anyways. Did I say wood that looks like tile?
Yeah.
Tile that looks like wood. I think it'll match my carpet really well. So I'm gonna take it home and look at it. And then shiplap up the wall. It'll have a floating white vanity with gray and white marble, double vanity. And then I'm thinking maybe, I haven't decided for sure, but I'm thinking just like a plain navy shower curtain, gold circle mirrors, and a single light above each one. I'll have a light in the ceiling too. Wouldn't that be pretty? And then I'll just put like a really simple like white vase with a green fake leaves coming out, like the really tall spindly ones. Doesn't that sound like
really nice?
Perfection. Crisp, clean, maybe like simple gold soap dispensers. Did you guys know what this was?
Put it together and like show them each step.
Don't worry, you guys don't have to wait for long because hopefully like in just over a month it'll be done.
Yeah.
That's crazy to say. They're coming to measure my carpet on Wednesday. Yes, like our third snag of the project though is that our permit has not cleared yet. So we are not able to get our 4-way inspection quite yet. So
we don't have a permit to do what we're doing.
Yeah, we submitted our permit. We didn't realize it took so long to get it to clear. But we are in this weird position where he can't move forward because in the inspection, so you guys are all learning about DIY. We should be like Chip and Joe. I love Chip and Joe. I'm gonna call you Chip the whole rest of the way home, okay, honey?
Okay.
All right, Chip. So, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, one of my favorite HGTV shows, Joanna Gaines, Chip Gaines, they're so great. Anyways, we are really digressing. So, permit, yeah, we don't have one. We've submitted it and we're waiting, but he can't move forward. So you have a 4-way inspection, which means they check HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and like structure.
Everything from like in the inside of the walls.
Yes. So you can't move on and start covering stuff with both with sheetrock and insulation. You can't do that until obviously they check that out. So we're just sitting here waiting. So he took off half of yesterday, all of today, and now he's gonna for sure have to take off Monday.
Monday,
that's 2.5 days on the tail end that we could have had it done, and I'm dying about that. So pray for our permit to go through. But we are on our way home. I'm gonna have 10 little kids at my house in 54 minutes.
Yeah.
So I hope that Peyton and Beckham and Palmer have not been destroying it with grandma at home.
Yeah.
We're gonna hurry and get a quick dinner, and then it is time for an ice cream bar. I think we're gonna do Lion King tonight. We still haven't seen the new Lion King. So Lion King and leftover ice cream.
A big quarter.
Come on, Chip, you got this? You got this?
They slid back there.
Oh, these slid?
Yeah, look at back there.
Oh.
It's just sliding.
Oh, look at that, you guys. We are like head to toe 8 inches. If you wanted to know how long, 8 feet. If you wanted to know how long our van is, 8 feet, which is the magic number. Like 8 feet and 1 inch, give or take. Did you have fun with Grandma?
Oh,
Did you miss Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah, not really. Give Grandma a big kiss. And now come to me. Oh, I'll take one of you. We have been reading this book together. Tell them what happens in this book. Would you like some attention? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We see you. Okay, so tell me what happens in that book in 10 seconds or less.
So she found the pen, and then she dropped it in the lost.
But what did she have that started all of this that got lost?
What?
What did she have that got lost?
Mittens.
And what was so special about the mittens? You don't remember? Were they hard and rocky?
What?
Were they hard and rocky?
No.
What were they?
They're smoothers.
Smooth. They were soft and furry. You don't even remember? I'm gonna take back her gift. She doesn't even remember. All right, I bought 2 things, and one is for you guys both to play with. Well, that's not really something that goes in your hand. Look what I got. Put it in your hands, please, but it's for you to share. That will be fun, huh? They're always wanting to paint, and I never let them paint. Look how cool that is, huh?
You have that side, I have that side.
Just a little paint thing. And then I got paint something. Well, in honor of this book that I really enjoyed, you reading your first chapter book all by yourself.
Okay.
Look what I got you. I thought they were just like the mittens in our book. What do you think? I can now see why Junie B. Jones was so upset about losing her mittens. Aren't those cool? They're on the wrong hand, I'm pretty confident. It is now time for party prep. Smashing the Oreos.
I just want to eat all these yummy, delicious sprinkles. You should see. Oh my! Look at all those yummy sprinkles. I just want to. Here's a bite. You like it? They're really good.
So the party's over, and the real party just began.
Yeah. Wow, that was really good. I really liked the movie, and I mean, it was exactly like the first one, but check this out. Passed out asleep. Peyton and I stayed up and watched the whole thing. We may or may not have had ice cream together. It was worth it though. Thanks guys, we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.